Hey guys, hey, welcome back to my channel. So for this video I'll be outside doing my INFLUENSTER unboxing. So without further ado, let's get into this box, and like always, like, subscribe, and share. Now on to the rest of the video. If my eyes are squinty throughout this video, the sun is directly on me, so sorry, but I'm really excited for this box because I got the hopefully I don't butcher the name, Olehenrickson Body Care products. It is their Firmly Yours Toning Dry Body Oil, just this, and their Beam Cream Smoothing Body Moisturizer. So this is it. So I love the scent on both of them because obviously I've already opened the box and tried these. They smell really good. It's like a citrusy scent, which the cover is orange, like a orangey pink color. So of course I would say, so it's made with elderberry oil, sweet white lupin extract, and vegan peptides. It is really moisturizing. So the directions are to massage into skin, then get dressed or not. If you're going outside, apply SPF for external use only. And I did put it on my skin. Put it on now so you guys can see. Just like massage it in. The dropper, it's like a little hole here, so not too much comes out, and it is really moisturizing, I have to say. And it smells really good. It leaves your skin feeling really good. And look at the shine. I don't know if you guys can see because I'm like directly in the sun, so you should be able to see it. This is the moisturizer, which I absolutely love. This is what it looks like. It is really moisturizing, super moisturizing, and does give your skin that glow. This one, I didn't read what this one is. This one has AHAs, fruit enzymes, and caffeine. Body moisturizer with caffeine. Oh, well then, my body needs a good refresher. So the directions for this is no directions because the moisturizer is pretty simple. Just put it on your skin and moisturize. But yeah, so I really like the moisturizer. It smells really good. Again, like I said, it has a citrusy scent. I don't know if you guys can read that, but I will pause. I would suggest you pause and read for the ingredients. And oil. You can pause and read for the ingredients as well. And then I just realized in my video I've been looking this way when my camera is that way. So if you don't see me looking in the video, you know why. I was looking at the wrong part. But either way, thanks to INFLUENSTER for these two products. I cannot wait to put these on during the summertime because they're really moisturizing. Actually, this is really good for the winter also, but it's now going to be summer. It's springtime, going to be summer, and honestly, these are such summer spring scents because citrusy, usually people put citrus during the summer and spring, and they smell amazing. My skin feels super hydrated and moisturized. I don't know if you can see my arms, my leg here. It is definitely a must try if you guys haven't tried it. It's brand new. They just came out with this, so definitely check them out. I would highly recommend, especially if you have very dry skin. This is really good for that because I get really dry skin. I get a little ashy, even though you can't tell because I'm pasty, but in the summertime you can definitely tell. So this will keep you nice, glowing, looking your best for the spring and summer. So thanks again to INFLUENSTER. Thanks to Olehenrickson for sending me these products to test out and create videos for you guys. If you like this video, please like, subscribe, and share. Have a good day, afternoon, or evening, whichever time you're watching, and please stay safe out there. Bye now.